Hi all, Planside Agent here. Today we're going to take a look at a carry pouch for my BCB Crusader MK2 cook kit. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. This is my fifth video around the BCB Crusader MK2 cook kit. And I have a separate playlist just around for those videos, and I'll put a link to that in the description. Also, I have a separate playlist just for all my different cook set and stove videos. I also have links in the description if you want to chase any of those down. So when I originally bought the Crusader online, and I mentioned this in the first couple of videos, I had a long time before I found one that I could afford, and the shipping didn't kill me. But at the same time, I didn't want to invest a lot more in the pouch that they usually have with the BCB. It's I forgot the price on it. It makes it a little bit more expensive. So I decided I'll just get the cook kit, see how I like it, and maybe I can find a pouch for it later. I have a lot of different pouches. Unfortunately, none of them would fit because this is a pretty tall cook set. It's almost 12 inches tall when you have it all put together. So I went online, see what I could find, and I did. I found this, and it's a USMC, that's the United States Marine Corps hydration pack pouch. So, and in the measurements, it looked like it was going to fit, so I just went ahead and get it. Besides that, it was like only $10 and free shipping, so you can't argue with that. Stateside shipping, so it came pretty quick. I'll leave a link to that in the description also if you want to take a closer look. But it's a nice little bag. It's nylon. It's kind of coated on the inside. It's got the buckle here, and it's on the back side. It's got some MOLLE strap, so you can strap it to something the outside of your pack, whatever you want to do with it. And it's got a little drain hole in the bottom. And it's a pretty nice stout little bag, and it fits the BCB perfectly, and with extra room, so you can add some other stuff to really fill out your cook set, so you can have an all-in-one. Which, if you've watched any of my videos, I really like all-in-one kits. So I'll just show you how I got this. This is just kind of a temporary, or just playing around with it to see what I could fit. I really haven't put a lot of thought yet into how I want to use this, but this will just give you an idea of what you can do with this particular bag if you're interested in picking one of these up. And it's a nice bag for just about anything you want to put in there. You probably put a lot of different things in here. So anyway, pop that open, and let's say this has got a little bit of adjustment on it. So for starters, what I managed to get in here, see if I can show all this in the in the camera. Here, ooh, kind of smashed my lid. I did make a lid for this cook set, the pot, out of aluminum pie pan. So, but it's aluminum, so I can mash it back into shape. But that's just what I have for now. Okay, let's get this thing out of here. If I can do it and stay on camera. Probably could move the camera way back, but I'll leave it here. Okay, well, let's pull a few things out first. For starters, like I say, there's quite a bit of room. Let me get back to here. If you see, when it's all the way in there, you probably have, a couple more inches up here. So you could add some food packets, coffee packets, all sorts of things, whatever you felt you need for your particular style of cooking or whatever you're going to go out on. I just grabbed some stuff just to see how it would work, and I was able to get one of these bamboo cutting boards fit in there. This one, I haven't even opened it yet, but one of these will fit in there, or you can make a cutting board, which I've done for other kits. Get these cutting boards from the dollar store, and they work really great for cutting boards. I don't know which. I'd probably just make another one of these. Just take a jigsaw and cut it out and sand it down a little bit, and they make good cutting boards, and they're cheap and light. So And let's see. So that's so you can get a cutting board in there. Also, I went and grabbed out of my little box of tricks a knife, fork, and spoon set, and it slides in the. I guess if you look, let's see. You do have, if you look in here, you got quite a bit of room. Let's see if we can get an angle on there where you can see in here. You do have quite a bit of room in here. Like I said, I can get my whole hand down in there, but it's not overly big, so it's not real sloppy. So you got quite a bit of room in left to right on either side to put some stuff in. Like, you know, you could put in some extra fuel, like a bigger fuel bottle would fit in there. This is an 8 ounce. You could put a drop a 4 ounce in there. I got a 2 ounce in the bottom of the burner. Could also use. Like I say, there's a lot of different options you can do with this because you got a little bit more room in there. So anyway, then there's the whole cook set in there without any problem. I had these little bungees on here. Just grabbed them. I might come up with something different. I think I'd probably just soon find a nice large Ranger band for it. But in the meantime, because I found that like this handle and these handles flopped around quite a bit, which annoyed me, and it made it more difficult to get it in the pouch when these things are flopping around. So for right now, that's a solution I have just to get started. Like I say, it'll probably evolve over time. So they say it fits in there really nice. It's a nice spacious bag. So I'm real happy with it. The price is right. It's cheaper than the one you can get from with the BCB. And I also noticed, I've watched a couple of videos of people using the Crusader cook sets, and sometimes they seem like they have a little bit of trouble, you know, getting them in. It's a snug fit, let's put it that way. Putting them in those other bags. So, and for the price, you just can't beat this. Now this is stateside. I don't know what, and I think it's a stateside company. I don't know what they charge you to ship it over to the UK, which I think a lot of people this is real popular in the UK. It seems like it's a lot cheaper. Plus, just about all the pieces for this is cheaper there. So anyway, just some rambling on. Right, I can't really think of anything else to say about it. It's a nice little bag. Like I say, I'll have links in the description for everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.